Sound is a form of energy that travels in waves. The speed of sound is influenced by the medium it travels through. In air, sound travels approximately 343 meters per second. Sound waves can be classified as longitudinal waves. Frequency determines the pitch of the sound. Amplitude defines the loudness of the sound. The human ear perceives sound vibrations through specialized structures. Acoustics can affect the design of buildings and spaces. Certain materials can absorb or reflect sound. Understanding acoustics enhances our experience of sound.